Rama, Canada, and I'm the host and professional showman. I would like to offer you my services for your event. Let me tell you about wedding ceremonies and give you some information about my qualities. The most important thing is that a professional showman will help to make your wedding ceremony well organized, funny and unforgettable. Also, you will take part in a lot of tradition and will have an opportunity to join them yourself. And everything is going to be quite easy to understand because of my excellent language abilities. I like interactive conversation and nice jokes with guests, interesting toasts and funny contests. This scenario may be changed or altered with newlyweds. All your requests would be fulfilled and you won't have any unwanted situation during the wedding ceremony. I can make your wedding ceremony easy and romantic, beautiful and impressive, as well as mix it all with funny active contests, lottery, dancing and exclusive wedding program to make this day unforgettable. We can perform all traditions you prefer, native and foreign. From the meeting newlyweds till Bukit and Gata, we pay a great attention to lyrical moments such as first wedding dance, parental toast and wishes. Don't waste your time and call me right now.